The influence of COVID-19 on air quality in India, a boon or inutile, presented by Vamsi Allah, registration number 518CE1005, submitted to Professor Mahindra Gattu. What is COVID-19? Coronavirus diseases 2019 is an highly infectious disease. It was identified in late December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that range from the common cold to MERS, which is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus, and SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. Coronaviruses are circulating in animals, and some of these coronaviruses have the capability of transmitting between animals and humans. COVID-19 is first appearance. Wuhan Municipal Health Commission, China, reported a cluster of cases of pneumonia in Wuhan, Hubei province during late December 2019. A novel coronavirus was eventually identified. In India, first corona case was came into light from Kerala state in late January 2020. The affected person is a university student returned from Wuhan, China. After a month, Kerala state was the topmost state in India, having most number of cases affected by novel coronavirus due to rapid transmission to all surrounding people with unprotected contact. COVID-19 pandemic. The coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is the defining global health crisis of our time and the greatest challenge we have faced since World War II. Since its emergence in Asia last year, the virus has spread to every continent except Antarctica. Cases are rising daily in Africa, the Americas, and Europe. On 12th March 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. WHO issued some guidelines regarding its spread and precautions that need to be taken out to protect ourselves and others from the spread of COVID-19. COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 outbreak situation across the globe according to World Health Organization, which was updated 31st May 2020. Confirmed cases were 58,91,182. Confirmed deaths were 3,65,966. And the countries or areas or territories with the cases 216. In India, according to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, total active cases are 86,422, cured or discharged cases are 82,369, and total deaths are 4,971. COVID-19 measures taken to control its spread. Countries are racing to slow the spread of the virus by testing and treating patients, carrying out contact tracing, limiting travel, quarantining citizens, and cancelling large gatherings such as sporting events, concerts, and schools. Even biggest sporting event of the world, Tokyo Olympics, has been postponed to 2021. In India, measures taken to control spread are government designated testing centers were increased to 52, international travel ban was imposed, India-wide lockdown was implemented to decrease the spread of the disease. Lockdowns. As the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases closed 500, on 24th March 2020, the Government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days, limiting movement of the entire 1.3 billion population of India as a preventive measure against the COVID-19 pandemic in India. Observers stated that the lockdown had slowed the growth rate of the pandemic by 6th April to a rate of doubling every 6 days and by 18th April to a rate of doubling every 8 days. As many state governments and other advisory committees recommended for extending the lockdown, on 14th April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended the nationwide lockdown until 3rd May with some conditional relaxations after 20th April for the regions where the spread had been contained or was. On 1st May, the Government of India extended the nationwide lockdown further by 2 weeks until 17th May. The government divided all the districts into 3 zones based on the spread of the virus: green, red, and orange, with relaxations applied accordingly. On 17th May, the lockdown was further extended till 31st May by the National Disaster Management Authority. On 30th May, it was announced that the ongoing lockdown would be further extended till 30th June in containment zones, with services resuming in a phased manner starting from 8 June. It is termed as Unlock 1. Outcomes and effects of lockdowns. COVID-19 lockdowns imposed by Government of India, which are necessary, had effects on economic, social, mental, and behavioral changes of people. All the manufacturing, construction, transport, entertainment, food processing, tourism industries were completely closed, causing halt in national economy. Thousands lost their jobs. Most of the people in unorganized jobs lost their livelihood. According to International Labour Organization estimates, 95 million jobs could be lost globally. Total 1.3 billion population of India came to standstill. Social gatherings, functions, marriages, religious gatherings were prohibited. This had the direct effect on the people's social nature. Some people were affected mentally by the unwanted and unprecedented loneliness and got distressed. We have observed many people came out in support of needy people, distributing them food, essentials, supporting them economically, and giving hope to the less fortunate people that humanity is still surviving. This type of behavioral change of people is one of the positive effects of COVID-19. The outcomes of these lockdowns taken by Government of India were that less number of deaths reported in India. The COVID-19 mortality rate in India is 2.87, which is less than global mortality rate of 6.45. Air pollution levels in India were decreasing, especially in New Delhi, where a 50% reduction was observed. Figure 1 shows that air pollution over northern India has recorded a 20-year low for this time of the year, according to NASA 2020. Figure 1 shows AOD concentration level in India during 2016 and 20. The presented images are collected from NASA Earth Observatory showing aerosol optical depth AOD measurements over Indian region during the period of March 31st to April 5th from 2016 to 2020. Moreover, the last that is sixth anomaly image in figure 1 indicating the AOD average in 2020 compared to the 2016-2019 averages. It can be observed that the dark brown pixels, tan pixels and a light yellow area show high, lower and a little to no aerosol concentrations in figure 1. Effect of air pollution on human health. Air pollution kills an estimated 7 million people worldwide every year. WHO data shows that 9 out of 10 people breathe air containing high levels of pollutants. WHO is working with countries to monitor air pollution and improve air quality. From smoke hanging over cities to smoke inside the home, air pollution poses a major threat to health and climate. The combined effects of ambient and household air pollution cause about 7 million premature deaths every year, largely as a result of increased mortality from stroke, heart disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, and acute respiratory infections. More than 80% of people living in urban areas that monitor air pollution are exposed to air quality levels that exceed WHO guideline limits, with low and middle income countries suffering from the highest exposures both indoors and outdoors. COVID-19 effect on air quality in India. In this study, the variations of AOD which were collected from the satellite were used to indicate a marked difference in the levels of aerosol which are at its lowest in 20 years due to COVID-19 lockdowns according to NASA. The present air pollution levels indicate that COVID-19 is considered as a blessing in disguise. Even though the present air quality is temporary, it gives us an opportunity to think and formulate measures to reduce the concentration level of air pollutants on a long-term basis. So, as per the air quality index is concerned, the current enhancement in air quality of India would avert significant premature deaths due to air pollution on a monthly or annual basis. Effect on air quality in India. This perspective provides evidence of significant changes in air quality of the Indian region during the government lockdown order to reduce the effects of COVID-19. According to the results and discussion, it can be considered that the massive reduction of aerosol concentration during quarantine, novel coronavirus might paradoxically have reduced the percentage of deaths during the period by significantly reducing the percentage of fatalities due to degradation of air quality. Reference. This presentation is based on the article titled The Influence of COVID-19 on Air Quality in India, a boon or inutile, authored by Sneha Gautam, published on 11th May 2020 by Bulletin of Environmental Contamination and Toxicology. Thank you, Corona Warriors. Jai Hind.